Hello everyone, and welcome to this overview of how you add assignments in a Google Classroom. So now that we're in our Google Classroom titled Economics, we see our four main tabs: Stream, Classwork, People, and Grades. To add an assignment, we actually will go into the Classwork area. So I'm going to click that. And then to add an assignment, we click the Create button. And when we click Create, it's going to give us all of the choices that we have that are essentially assignments. So this would be a regular assignment. This is going to be using Google Forms. This is a question for student response and discussion in classroom. This is to add materials such as Drive files, etc. This is to reuse a post that you've used in the past. And this is to create a topic. Topics are like subfolders to help keep things organized. So I'm going to click Assignment, and then it's going to bring up the dialog box where I get to choose everything from what class it's going into. The current one is the default, but I can choose multiple classes to send this assignment to. If I'm only in one class, I can select and send it to all students or individual students. In this example, there are no students in this class, but if there were, their names would individually be listed here. This is where I title the assignment. This is where I provide additional instructions for students. Decide the point value by typing in a number or by marking ungraded. Where I mark a due date by simply choosing a calendar. Additionally, I can add a time of that day. And if I have created a topic, this is where I can choose that topic or create a new one. Additionally, I can add attachments, files from Google Drive, YouTube videos, or traditional links. Once you have entered all this information in, then you'll see the Assign button lights up. Beside the Assign button, there is a down arrow where I can either click Assign, or I can schedule this to automatically appear at some point in the future, or I can save it for future use, or I can simply click Assign. For my purposes, I'm not going to do any of those things. I'm going to actually hit the X and go back to our classwork page where you can see there was already one assignment actually added. And if I go to our stream where I see the announcement about this assignment being added, since I am the teacher, I can also click this and edit this assignment from the stream once it has been created. I can also see the additional that I have added a Google Drive file called What is Economics, and that each student in the class will get a copy of this assignment. And I can change and edit that information from this screen as well. So that is how you add an assignment in Classroom. Thank you.